Okay, today I'm using Cam Studio, now I've eventually got it working, to do a review of Razer Game Booster. So if I open Razer Game Booster, you can add games by clicking the add button, and you highlight the game you want to play, then click launch. I'm gonna do a video of Minecraft on this. So the first game, I'll just do a quick video of Minesweepers. So click Minesweepers, then click launch. Then basically now it's in game boost mode, so it closes any unnecessary programs like Windows Update and all sorts of stuff that isn't useful. And in any game, to put a frame rate in the corner, so you know how many frames. I don't know why the frame rate's so low. I think it's just the maximum the game will do. So I've no idea how to play Minesweepers, but if I just click around, I'm sure I'll do something. There we go. So obviously I failed, so I'll exit. And once I exit the game, Game Booster will return to normal mode. And if you don't want Game Booster running in the system tray, right click on it and exit. And it'll exit the Game Booster. I know for a fact Razer Game Booster does help a lot, because my dad had Colin McRae Dirt 3 on his desktop and it didn't run, well, it ran good but not good enough, and he used Razer Game Booster and it helped a lot. So I would recommend it. I'll try and find a download link to go in the description. But now all I'm going to do is show you the free screencast that comes with it. So you can take a screenshot, but you know, nobody wants to take a screenshot. You can do a video of the game. So this is good for Minecraft especially. So in the video, the frames per second doesn't show up in the corner when you're recording, but of course it will, because I'm using Cam Studio, not the built-in one. So if I leave that running in the system tray and open Minecraft, play Minecraft, and as you can see, the you have to have it running in the tray. So Razer Game Booster has recognised I've booted up a game, and it shows the FPS. And if you choose a keypad shortcut, you can turn the FPS on and off. So I chose F4, so you know I can make it disappear and come on and disappear. So I'll leave it on now. So if I launch the game, the frame rate will be quite low because it's raining, and for some reason that creates quite a bit of lag. There's iron golems in there, and if I start recording by pressing, I changed the button to F10, so if I press F10, it'll say record. I missed that what it said, but FPS 14, and it says recording. So we are now recording the game, and my microphone is being used twice from 2 different programs, so I don't know whether that's made any difference. So this is recording now, and stop it recording. I press F3 again. No, not F3, F10, and it'll stop recording. So if I go and close the game, yep, close the game, and if I go to the default place where it saves the video, so the default place is Documents, Razer. I don't know what that says. Java W. Think it must use Java to screen record. So that's a .mpg. I don't know whether that's compatible with Windows Movie Maker. I'm not sure. So if I play this with VLC Media Player, it'll say record. I missed that what it said, but FPS 14, and it says recording. So we are now recording the game, and my microphone is being used twice from 2 different programs, so I don't know whether that's made any difference. So this is recording now, and stop it recording. I press F3 again. No. So yeah, that's basically Razer Game Booster, the screen recorder. I will just make sure it opens in Movie Maker. I'll let it just open Windows Movie Maker. I think it's still loading it, I'm not sure. I'll just leave it to play and see. Yep. I missed that what it said, but FPS 14, and it says recording. So we are now recording the game, and my microphone is being used twice from 2 different programs, so I don't know whether that's made any difference. So this is recording now, and stop it recording. I press F3 again. No. So it did work, and I can edit it. I can add this in, so I can edit this. So yeah, it does work Windows Movie Maker. It does work with Windows Movie Maker, so that's a good thing. But it doesn't matter whether it works on YouTube or not, because if you use Movie Maker to edit it, Movie Maker saves as, I don't know, I think it's AVI, I'm not sure, but I know it doesn't save as that one Razer Game Booster uses. So if I open Razer Game Booster, I can feedback, and I only just realised you now know my email address, but if you were kind people you wouldn't spam loads of crap, and if you do I'll just block you, unless you send nice emails, not that you will. So what you can do, screencast, so I did say about all this. The position of the FPS can be changed to the left top corner the right top, bottom left, bottom right. You can select system sound, which is recommended, or if you want to use a microphone, obviously use the microphone. Stereo mix, I'm not sure what would happen if you use stereo mix, but I know I enabled stereo mix in my speakers thing. And aux is exactly the same as system sound. Video quality, it's on medium, and it's pretty good at the moment, so I'm not sure what it's like set to high, because you've got lowest, low, medium, high, highest. Game resolution, medium, small, smallest. And to change the key, you just click in the box and then press the other button you want to use instead. I changed it from, I don't know what it was set at, control out something, or control shift. I don't like all this pressing multiple buttons just to do one thing. I just set it at F10 and F4 because it's easier. Tools, you can tweak, I'm not sure what that is. Tweak these things. Defrag, you can defragment your games, I'm not sure why you'd want to do that. And drivers, you can search for drivers. And I've got Realtek high definition audio driver update, but I have just downloaded that before I did the video, so I'll install that, then it will stop nagging. Diagnose, it does like an analysis of your computer. I'm not sure what it does, but it does something, and it must be useful, or they wouldn't have put it there. I did get an email saying somebody had subscribed to my channel. I can't remember the username, but thank you for subscribing if you watch another video. I appreciate subscribers, so thank you for subscribing, whoever you were, you know who you are. So it's done its diagnosis, and yeah, I guess now you know my email address. You can email me any questions if you want to. When you first download this software, you have to create a username. Well, it asks for your email address and a password. I just created one really quickly, and that's just about it. If you don't want to, if you want to turn game mode on, you can just turn it on and run your computer in boost mode. It'll minimize to try, or you can minimize it straight away. I usually just leave it to minimize itself. And it's running in boost mode now. So if I have a piece of software, that needs quite a lot of processor and RAM usage, like, I don't know, if I want to use Oracle VM VirtualBox, if I want to give my virtual machines more processor, I can switch to game mode and it'll leave more RAM and processor for your virtual machine, which is quite good. And if you want to stop, just double click on the icon that's greyed out and switch game mode off, and it'll turn green again. When you close Game Booster, it'll stay in the tray. So if you don't want it there, because you don't want it to fill everything up and then you've only got that much room, just right click and exit. And if you're in game boost mode, when you click to exit, it'll say return to normal mode and exit. So yeah, that's just about it, really. There's no other videos. There is one video I will do next after this one. I'll upload it to YouTube, and I'm not going to give it away. It's a good piece of software if you like electronic stuff. So make sure you watch the next video. Download Cam Studio as well. I'm not going to leave a link to Cam Studio because all you've got to do is type into Google camstudio.org and download it and its codec as well. And if it doesn't work once you've installed it and click the icon, if you leave a comment saying that it wouldn't work, I'll do a video to show you how to get Cam Studio to definitely work on your computer. So yeah, that's it. See ya.